Got him? Got him, Jim? Yeah. Either not?
Yep.
Alright, hold on. Pike?
Yep.
Nah, that's a bass. Bring her here.
What?
Oh, that's a nice one. Oh, heavy. Jesus.
Not bad. Damn, get it. Oh, and it's on there.
Let me find my phone. How you catch it?
How?
Yeah.
On that.
What is that?
Largemouth bass on a spinnerbait.
Oh, want to get you a picture? Ready?
Yeah. Damn.
Okay. I'll send it to you when we get a minute.
Nice.
I got fish.
Yeah?
Yep. I think it's a bite.
Is it?
I think so.
Well, don't fucking force it.
Oh, wait.
It's fucking
I don't know. I don't forgot it. No, it's still on. It's a bass. Just a little bass. I'm good. Alright, thanks. Hold on. Little bass. About a 5-pounder. Try over here for now. Got one, yeah.
Huh?
Yeah, I got one. Oh, that's a nice one.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
Bass?
Yeah.
Here, let me get mine on it.
Yeah, I could probably get. Oh, fuck. I'm taking it out of the boat.
Does it help?
I think I got it.
Oh, that is a nice one.
About 2-3-pounder, maybe?
Nice fish.
Yeah, it's a nice one. 3-pounder, I bet.
What's wrong with that?
Huh.
Oh. This is all clusterfuck. Alright. GPS. Right at the boat.
Pike.
Yeah.
Alright, hold on. I'll get the net. Where are you bringing them? Where do you want them? There.
Oh, you got some starage. See that?
Yeah, probably a bigger one. Or spawn in. Hold on. You want pliers? Oh, he's a decent little one. That's what you get around here. So that's your first Pond X pike?
Yeah. Yeah.
Man,
sure
he got
is.
chewed up.
Yeah, he did.
Big time.
He got some chompers on him too.
Yeah. Nice.
Right.
Right at the boat. I seen it out of the corner of my eye.
Yeah, that water is warm.
Good?
Yeah.
Those things stink.